Do you notice how quiet and green it is? Where am I? I'm in the Hayward Highlands at my latest listing at 28061 Thorup Lane. Out front, you're welcomed with a charming private patio perfect for slow mornings or wine o'clock. Inside feels fresh with updated paint, newer light fixtures, and some newer flooring. The vaulted ceilings really do open up the space and make it ready to entertain. And don't forget to check out the kitchen. It's got this modern backsplash that adds just the right pop of color, and it flows right into the dining and living space, so you're always a part of the conversation. The bathrooms have newer vanities and light fixtures, which are soothing and simple, great for those quiet evenings or self-care Sundays. There's a bedroom and a full bath downstairs, perfect for guests, multi-generational living, or a home office setup. Step outside to the back deck and just breathe in. You're surrounded by nature and it's just so peaceful. Upstairs, both bedrooms have their own bathroom, so that means no sharing, and the primary gets beautiful natural light. You'll wake up feeling rejuvenated. You've got parks, Cal State East Bay, Zeal Creek Trail, and so much more close by. And the community amenities, there's a pool, spa, barbecue, and even a playground. This place is cozy, calm, and connected. I'm Jade with Compass. If you'd like to see it, reach out to me. Welcome home.